Stop loop with list comprehension when find the first true. I want to stop the iteration when I find the first true, like this. How can I do the same thing but with list comprehension for loop?
Unfortunately, there is no built-in mechanism for finding the first element of a list that matches a predicate. There is any, which you can use to determine if such an element exists, but that won't tell you what element it was. Luckily, itertools provides a variety of functions for when you want to do some operation on a list or any other iterable. The function you're looking for isn't built into the module, but the documentation provides definitions for a handful of functions, including this one, as the itertools recipes. The function you need is named first_true. Just copy the definition, and if nothing in the list matches the predicate, first_true will return false. If you want a different behavior, you can modify the function. The other recipes might be a good place to start if you want to understand how to work with iterators in itertools style. If you're trying to do more complicated processing in the loop than just finding the first matching element, you're probably better off using a proper for loop, though. List comprehensions and generator expressions are good as a replacement for map and filter, and itertools provides more general operations on iterables, but they aren't meant to stand in for real loop logic.
You can use next on a generator expression to return the first true instance, where the second argument is a return value that allows you to avoid stop iteration errors. Edit, credit at Martino. This can be reduced to the filter operator as shown by the itertools recipe above.
إذا مطلب الشان قيد سلك أسقيم